Hi, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First, we need to open the settings on our phone. To do it, you can swipe upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and tap on it. Here tap on Languages and Input, and now tap on the option called On-Screen Keyboard. Now, select the keyboard. By default, we have the Gboard, but if you have some custom keyboard, you can also select it. But we're gonna select Gboard right here because we don't have any other ones. And you should see the Languages option. Tap on it. And as you can see, we have the keyboard already. It's English UK. And to change it, we need to tap on Add Keyboard. This will open the list of languages we can select. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down. Find the language you like to use on your keyboard. For example, something that's gonna be visible. So maybe let's select Arabic and one of the regions, for example, Iraq. Right here we can select the different layouts of keyboard. We can select both, only one, whatever you like, then tap Done. As you can see, now we have two languages. If you want to use only the Arabic language, you can tap on the edit icon right here. Select the English and then tap the pen icon to remove it. Come on. Like this. And now we have only the Arabic language. So if I open something I can write in, the keyboard should pop out, and we have the keyboard in Arabic language. But if you want to have multiple languages and switch between them, you can also do that. So let's go back to the languages right here, language settings, tap on Add Keyboard, add maybe English back, like that, and add something like, I don't know, Chinese, like that. Okay, so now we have three languages. So let's go to something we can write in. As you can see, we have the Arabic language, and you can press and hold on the spacebar to open this menu. And here you can select the language you want to use, like that. Or you can also tap on this globe icon next to spacebar to toggle between different languages, like that. Okay. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.